At the top of the screen is the toolbar, which is the quick access toolbar, housing our often used command. Here, there is the new, open, save, save as, open from web and mobile, save to web and mobile, plot, the undo, redo, and a drop-down menu button from which we can add more quick access tools like this workspace button. If you click on the drafting and annotation, you'll see additional workspace options. These three are the more commonly used, while the other two were migrated from my 2007 version of AutoCAD. Later on, we'll come back to a workspace. You can also add any command to the toolbar. Let me add quickly construction line to the toolbar. Right-click on it and you will see the Add to Quick Access toolbar option. Now it's added. To remove it, I'll right-click on it and click Remove from Quick Access toolbar. Let's go back to this letter A button we clicked earlier on. Clicking on this menu button opens up the application menu. Here you will see your 5 main tools and you can start new drawing from here, open new file, save current drawing to AutoCAD default format, save as, and more tools like the drawing utilities where you can adjust the units or check drawings for errors, remove or purge unused item from the drawing, and so on. In a case whereby you forgot the location of the tool you're looking for, you can go to the search command bar and search for it. Let's search for, say, press pull. AutoCAD even tells you the location. For example, it says press pull is found on solid editing. All I need to do is to change my workspace to 3D modeling, and here is it. Or change my workspace to 3D basis, and I'll see it. Though the easiest way, just so you know, is to search for the command and click on the hyperlink, then use the command.